Hi guys, what a stressful night. We took a little trip to Mexico. How was Mexico so far?
Good.
Good. Mexico's good. No. No, we didn't have much fun in Mexico, but next we'll try that again maybe. But on the way back, we had one of the most stressful situations. Do you want to explain what happened?
I forgot my
It's
my my green card.
Yeah, so she had her green card, which she knew to bring that. But there's also this form that extended it a year that her obnoxious husband had told her maybe 10 times to bring.
I always say yes, but I'm not doing.
Yeah, she goes, yeah, okay. And I don't think she listened. Anyways, so we're walking back, and I think they were about to let us go, but you gave him the Filipino card, your Filipino
Filipino
passport, which I think he wasn't even caring about until he saw it.
Only like green card.
Right.
They care.
Right, and so then all of a sudden you realize, I got to check that it's not expired with the green card, and well, we ended up having to go into the back room, which was a long walk, that back room.
Yeah.
And wait.
And then waiting.
And little Miss Liliana was not the most patient girl. She was a little hyped. Yeah.
She's not patient.
Not patient.
Like she's drama. She say, "Mama, water," and then she laughing, crying.
Yes. And then pretty much everyone else there had to pay like $6 for whatever they were done. So she asked, "Is that what we have to do? Is pay?" And I was like, "Yeah, that's what we pay." But in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, I know situations where they did not let the person back in the country. So I'm having my own little minor heart attack, not telling her that is a possibility, and thinking, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to rush back.
Yeah, I was worried like we're stuck there and like forever.
Forever, yeah.
Because Liliana full diet right now and like she wanna go home now.
Yeah.
That's why.
She's hyped. She wants to play. So we're gonna end this video. But if you're watching this and you have your green card and you get that extension and there's a letter that says carry it with your green card, carry it with the green card. They're serious. Luckily, they did let us go after a while. I don't know how long we were there. It seemed forever, but it probably wasn't that long.
Only like I think like not long. Not long.
No,
it's long. I think 1 hour.
It was probably an hour, which seems like a long time when you're waiting.
Yeah, because like they stressed to my
Yeah.
green card.
But luckily that paper, we came back to the hotel. It was in our paperwork that we carry along in the luggage. So if we want to go back there, which I'm not sure if I can take it again, we'll have that paper next time.
Yeah.
But we're safe out of the hurricane.
Yeah, we're safe. We are here at Hotel
Laredo, yeah.
Yeah, we are here and
Right next to the border. We can walk to the border. Thanks for watching, guys.
thank you for watching. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wait. Bye-bye.
Flying kiss. Give a flying kiss.
Mom.